NetFuel Digital Private Limited. Why a small businessman must start an e-commerce business. In today's digital age, there are compelling reasons why a small businessman should consider starting an e-commerce business. Here are some key advantages. Increased reach and accessibility. E-commerce eliminates geographical limitations and allows your business to reach customers beyond your local area. With an online presence, you can tap into a global customer base, enabling you to expand your market reach significantly. 2. Lower operational costs. Starting and running an e-commerce business often requires lower upfront costs compared to establishing a physical store. 2. You can save on expenses such as rent, utilities, and staffing. 2. Additionally, automation tools and streamlined processes can help reduce operational costs further. 3. 24/7 availability. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar stores with limited operating hours, an e-commerce business operates round the clock. 3. Customers can visit your online store and make purchases at their convenience, resulting in increased sales potential. 4. Reduced marketing costs. Digital marketing channels, such as social media, content marketing, and email campaigns, provide cost-effective ways to promote your products and reach your target audience. 4. Online marketing offers greater flexibility and measurable results than traditional advertising methods. 5. Targeted marketing and personalization. E-commerce platforms enable you to gather customer data and leverage it for targeted marketing campaigns. 5. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, you can tailor your offerings, promotions, and recommendations to individual customers, creating a personalized shopping experience that enhances customer loyalty. 6. Enhanced customer insights. E-commerce platforms provide valuable data and analytics to understand customer behavior, preferences, and purchase patterns. 6. This information empowers you to make data-driven decisions, personalize marketing campaigns, and improve the overall customer experience. 7. Increased customer convenience. E-commerce offers customers the convenience of browsing and purchasing products from the comfort of their homes or on the go. 7. By providing a user-friendly online shopping experience, you can attract and retain customers who appreciate the ease and accessibility of online shopping. 8. Scalability and growth potential. E-commerce offers the flexibility to scale your business quickly. 8. With the ability to handle increased order volumes and expand product offerings without the constraints of a physical store, you can adapt and grow your business more efficiently. 9. Competitive advantage. Embracing e-commerce allows small businessmen to compete with larger enterprises on a more level playing field. 9. With a well-designed website, effective marketing, and exceptional customer service, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and build a strong brand presence. 10. Integration with other sales channels. An e-commerce business can be seamlessly integrated with other sales channels, such as brick-and-mortar stores or wholesale partnerships. 10. This integration allows you to offer customers a consistent omni-channel experience, strengthening your brand presence. 11. Improved customer engagement and loyalty. Through personalized marketing, targeted promotions, and interactive features, you can engage customers and build long-term relationships. 11. E-commerce platforms enable you to provide excellent customer support, address queries promptly, and offer a convenient shopping experience. 12. Adaptation to changing consumer habits. Consumer behavior has shifted towards online shopping, and the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated this trend further. 12. By starting an e-commerce business, small businessmen can align with changing consumer habits and position themselves for long-term success. 13. Business diversification. Adding an e-commerce channel to your existing business diversifies your revenue streams. 13. You can capture online customers while maintaining your physical store presence, minimizing the risk associated with relying solely on one sales channel. For any query and free consultation, please contact NetFuel Digital Private Limited SF:05, Delta City Center, Sector Delta 1, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India 201308. Email info@netfueldigital.com, www.netfueldigital.com. Contact number +91 9,818,295,888.